She was a top real estate attorney, elegant, well-connected, the kind of woman you trust with millions. She took dancehall superstar Mavado for $30.7 million on a luxury house that never existed. Then, while walking into court, she defecated on herself in front of everyone. This is the story of how one respectable lawyer turned the Jamaican property game into her personal cash machine until karma showed up in the most humiliating way possible. Jennifer Messado, prominent attorney in Kingston, she moved in high circles, handled big real estate deals, and had that polished, trustworthy vibe. In 2017-2018, Mavado wanted to invest his money wisely. He was looking at a luxury property on Grosvenor Terrace, Kingston 8, one of the upscale areas.
Messado told him the owner was locked up overseas and desperate for a quick, confidential sale. She showed him documents, a signed sale agreement, even gave him keys and possession papers. Mavado wired her $30.7 million. She smiled, shook hands, and promised him the deal of a lifetime. What he didn't know? The real owner had never heard of her, and the house was never for sale. The Matrix. This wasn't a simple mistake. Messado had been running similar schemes for years, forging signatures, creating fake owners, pocketing deposits, then dragging everything through the courts. She was eventually disbarred, but that didn't stop her. She kept operating like the rules didn't apply to her. To people like Messado, successful artists and business people weren't clients. They were walking ATMs in designer clothes. The long con. For months, she kept Mavado calm with smooth talk. The paperwork is moving. The owner is just delayed overseas. Don't worry, the property is already yours. When he started asking serious questions, she sent small partial refunds, just enough to buy time while she spent the rest. Imagine pouring $30 million into your future, while the woman handling it is playing chess with your life. Darling, these things take time. The documents are finalizing. Your dream house is safe, me guarantee it. She didn't just steal money. She stole hope from a man who came from nothing and worked hard to build something real. The discovery and court drama. Mavado eventually discovered the owner knew nothing about the sale. The documents were forged. The house still belonged to the original family. He fought back hard, reported it, got her arrested and charged with fraud, forgery, and obtaining money by false pretense. The case dragged for years, with delays, adjournments, and bankruptcy claims. She tried every trick to avoid paying back what she took. Then came the day she had to walk into the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court in Halfway Tree. Right there in the hallway, in front of lawyers, police, and the public, Jennifer Messado defecated on herself. The high society scammer who played so many people lost complete control when it was finally her turn to face the music. The woman who made millions smile while emptying their pockets couldn't even control her own body under pressure. Mavado got back around $7 million after years of fighting. The rest is still tied up in the system. Messado remains disbarred and has faced multiple fraud cases. The Mavado trial has been grinding on, with the latest dates pushing into 2025-2026. Her reputation is destroyed. The aristocratic image she built over years collapsed in one public, unforgettable moment. The fallout. Mavado publicly warned everyone. The biggest scammers aren't on the corner. They're in suits with fancy offices and smooth talk. The case opened eyes across Jamaica. People started double-checking every too-good-to-be-true property deal and demanding real owner meetings. So what you learned today? Never let a fancy title, smooth voice, or confidential deal make you hand over big money without doing your own checks. The most dangerous scammers look the most respectable. Jennifer Messado took $30.7 million from Mavado and played the system for years, until the day her own body betrayed her in open court. Was it pure karma, or just what happens when you play too many people for too long? Drop your realist take in the comments. Have you ever been scammed by someone who looked professional? DCS, I'm out.